Hey you, don't buy any of this stuff. It's not so good. Come back, I'll tell you a little bit more. Let me tell you a little bit more about what you should be doing instead of buying the stuff that we just saw. So there's a little place called the internet, and there is a whole lot of great products out there on the internet. First thing you need to know is for your beard growth and for good healthy skin to get rid of that beard itch, you need things like beard oil. Now, what is beard oil? It is a combination of carrier oils, fragrance oils, and essential oils that will make this man mane feel so much better. It will get rid of beard dandruff, it will get rid of the beard itch, and it has so much healthy potential for your skin. So things like this little Chronic Beard Company, very awesome. This is 10th Kingdom BC, very awesome company. Another awesome company, if you're just looking for some all natural essential oils, is High Mountain Sage, very awesome company. And then maybe you're into some colognes. This is Sphinx Beard, totally awesome, totally awesome. So the second thing, number 2, you need to be aware of is that you may want to style this thing. Now, when you're first starting to grow a beard, you may just want to grow and grab yourself some balm. Oh yeah, balm. Now, what does balm do? It moisturizes, but it gives you a little bit of hold. There's a little bit of beeswax in this boy, and this one will help you out immensely when you're looking for a little bit softer beard, but also looking for some style to make this man mane look even better. Now, the third thing you may want to be aware of is beard butter. Now, there is so many different beard butters out there, I can't even tell you. It's amazing. Now, one of my favorites is coming out of a company called Chesapeake Beard Co. These guys create a beard butter, but they also create something called Vitality, which is absolutely amazing. Beard Vitality is like the essential next step of beard butters. I absolutely love it. But you can put that in right after you do your oil. But you can also put some cool stuff like this, and this is from Bartels Company, at night, and smells really good, and it also helps you sleep a little bit. So I absolutely love that scent. The fourth thing that you're gonna wanna keep in mind of is things like beard wash. Now, these are specifically designed to go with this man mane. You need to be using a beard wash instead of regular shampoo. And every major company usually carries a beard wash. This is Barden, and it is a light beard wash, and it really gets into there and washes it out nicely, and it's a daily. Another good company is Chesapeake Beard Co. They have a daily beard wash and co-wash and conditioner, so definitely check them out. And number 5, guys, is that every single one of these companies that I'm mentioning and that I'm talking about, such as a company called Hanyaker, they have amazing scent profiles. So not only is it good for your beard, but they smell absolutely amazing. This was one of his fall scents, and it's absolutely amazing. You can find every single one of these companies, like this one. This is Poe from Chesapeake Beard Co. If you're into oud, you will absolutely love this smell. If you're into kind of a fall apple smell, perfect. Awesome scents. You can also fall in love with some of things like Beard Gents. This one smells like pineapple. Absolutely amazing. Pineapple. Put it in your beard. It's awesome. And then they have things like this one. This is a woodsy scent. If you're into woodsy, this is from Iowa Beard Co. Absolutely amazing scents for everybody. And again, looking for some colognes. The king of colognes, in my opinion, one of the king of colognes is this company, Sphinx Beard. So again, amazing, absolutely amazing scents. Come check these companies out. They're on the internet, And you can find them by following me on Instagram. You can go to my Instagram, Bearded Practitioner, and I am following 1,001 of these companies, and you can see a lot of my posts about each one of them, the ones that I love and the ones I've tested. Come check it out, and you will be happily surprised by all of the amazingness that you'll see. We'll talk to you soon.